Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? Today we're gonna cover page 38, 39 and 40. Now page 48. Listen to review. Summarize it. Describe the kinds of land you can find on Earth. Now we're gonna describe what we can find here in this picture, okay? But before describing this picture, we're going to name the landforms that we have learned about in unit in lesson 2. So let's see the landforms. We learned about mountains. They are high, tall, with pointed tops and steep sides. Pointed tops and steep sides. We learned about the deep valley, which is called canyon. So this is a canyon. It's a deep valley, okay? And there is river water here. Then we talked about plains. Plains are flat and wide. Flat and wide. Hills. Hills are high, but they are not as high as mountains. They are not as tall as mountains. And they don't have pointed tops. They have rounded tops, okay? Valleys. It's a lowland. It's a flat land, lowland between mountains or hills. Islands. An island is a land. It's a land but surrounded by water. So let's write here. Landforms are hills, plains, mountains, islands, and valleys. Now let's describe the mountains here and the valley or the canyon. The mountains are very tall. The valleys or the valley is a lowland between mountains or hills or hills. Okay, please write down. Now let's move to the next one. Now here in page 39, we're going to make a model or draw. Here we're going to make a model of a landscape. Include the landforms in the photos below. So we're going to draw plain and the mountains. So we're gonna plain and mountains. Okay, so you can draw here and show and send what you're going to draw to me on WhatsApp. Okay, here, would a valley be found in the landscape you modeled? Explain. Okay, after you're going to draw, for example, if I'm going to draw the mountain, okay, are we gonna have or find a valley here? Of course, this is the valley because valleys are lowland between mountains. So let's write a valley would be found in low areas between the mountains. Okay, now let's move to the next page. Now in this page, you're going to take it as a homework. Now what are you gonna do here? You have to be like a tour guide here. Okay, plan a trip to teach tourists about 3 different landforms. So you're going to draw here place number 1, 2, and 3. You're going to draw here a landform such as mountains. Here you can draw plains. Here you can draw islands. And then you're going to write what you will teach the tourist about. Okay, so you're going to write, for example, if I'm going to draw mountains here, okay, and of course draw nice things like sun, like whatever, clouds, then you will write the mountains are very high. Mountains are very high. And you can say and write also with pointed tops and steep sides. Then here you can draw a plain. Then here you can draw an island and write a sentence about the plain and write a sentence about the island. That's it. Okay, and after you finish it, send this homework to me, and I'm gonna be really happy if you're going to do it really well. Okay, so this is it for today. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.